There's just a lonely chair in there. Oh my god. That's creepy. Someone go sit in it.
Yeah, I'm gonna go sit in it, but someone has to make a creepy video of it.
I'm doing it right now. Go sit in it.
There's a chair in there.
It could be a porthole to the third dimension.
Be careful though. I don't know
What is in there? There's a chair in there.
Oh my goodness.
Well, that's really creepy.
Oh my god. You look so weird. I'm gonna come closer.
Like, turn the flashlight off and then...
Yeah, that's creepy. Nope, I'm done.
There's a chair in there?
Yeah, creep level beyond 2000.
Should I go sit in the chair?
No, please don't.
He just sat in the chair. He sat in the chair.
Wait, who sat in the chair?
Thomas.
Oh, yeah.
Too late.
It's probably dirty.
Here, get off the chair. I want to get a picture of it.
Thomas,
It's creepy. Sit in the chair. I want to get a picture. That's like horror movie 101. There was a chair in the room.
Thomas, look at me. I'm over here in the dark. So creepy.
That was beyond space level.
Did they sit on it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Over 9,000. What's this room? That has stuff in it. We gotta find a way to get out.
Well, you go off the front gate. It's up to you.
Is your light open?
You guys trying to find a way out.
You walk first and I'll see you, okay? Alright, Dylan, ready?
That's pretty cool. Oh, hi. Ugh.
Like me.
That's more. It did. I sucked out.
My mouth is open.
He's hiding.
Nope. I can't. So what you just saw before was one of my trips to Fort Stark for... They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. Ah! So, as I was saying before I cut myself off, what you guys saw was clips. That was me at my camp going to Fort Stark. We looked at some abandoned buildings, as you saw, and we actually got to see what was in there and like all the old gun mounts and stuff for...
That's juicy.
You're fat. So yeah, it's just a little peek at what my summer is usually like, because I usually go to that pretty much all the time. Little Gracie sitting on the deck because she likes to sit on everything, and she also likes to get her head rubbed. What?
Sorry, too slow.
Whatever. Ready? I'm waiting. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no! All around me are familiar faces. Matthew's being very unsafe right now. Look at him. Oh, jeez! Hot rod running. Hot rod running. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, it's fine.
Okay, it's okay. So we're leaving right now. Am I going home now? Is that the thing? Okay. Yeah, I gotta get my stuff.
Stop recording.
Why? Ah!
Stop.
No. Oh!
Can I have a grilled cheese? What did I say about stop recording?
How do you feel right now? What is that? What is that? I don't know what that means. Ow! Frick! Oh, it didn't stop. Keep going. Oh my god, the light!
Stop recording.
No! Back off! So how's your gourmet meal of chicken McNuggets.
I give it a rating of, oh yeah, Mr. Krab! Take the chicken nuggets!
I don't want the chicken nuggets!
This is the final straw! I don't want them!
I'm not taking the chicken nuggets.
Mr. Krab says take the chicken nuggets, Caitlin.
Yeah, well, SpongeBob is saying he doesn't want those fat
Mr.
chicken nuggets.
Krab said take the chicken nuggets.
SpongeBob said!
Mr. Krabs! Just can you please take the chicken nuggets?
Fucking no.
Take the chicken nuggets!
So, I hope you all liked that video. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think I should do, because I'm really running out of ideas. But yeah, I'll see you guys later, and peace.